This is an emergency alert system requested by the state government. This is not a test. Recently, there is an unknown entity that we don't know yet, but they can hear you really good and they can bite you or eat you. And they have a very big mouth with very sharp teeth. Please hide and take shelter immediately, otherwise you'll get attacked. But you only have like 15 days to survive, so please stay safe, guys.
For those who are still alive, we have a final goodbye message from the United States government. We cannot escape from or kill the entity. And now everyone is gonna die. I repeat, everyone is gonna die. And we cannot escape that entity anymore. There's nothing we can do about it. Now we only have 1.2 billion people on Earth. And I'm gonna have to say a final goodbye to the USA. Goodbye.